Welcome back to my channel. I am Moonway. Today I am making a video about how to bullet journal. If you are new here, please subscribe. First of all, what is bullet journal? Bullet journal is a personally customized planner and tracker for pretty much everything what is important in your life. You can plan your daily life, goal, track your habit, budget, and reflect on your thoughts. It is all in one journal. Pretty much every aspect of your life can be included in your journal, but it is done in a short amount of space. That's why it is called bullet journal.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for.
In social media, you can see or search about bullet journal. You can see a lot of fancy stuff. You think that you can't do that, you are not artistic enough, that's why you don't start your bullet journal at all, which is not right. You can start bullet journal by having simply one bullet journal and one pen. You don't need this much stationery or artistic ability to start a bullet journal. Bullet journal is mainly to help your life be an organized one. I do art a lot of time, so I like to do artistic bullet journal, but I am now usually not doing them anymore because I am into minimal bullet journal style. Now let's start the main video. First of all, we need some sort of diary or journal. You don't have to have a new one because you can always start from whatever diary is lying around in your home. And for supplies, you need a pencil, a eraser, a ruler. If you are really confident, you only need a pen. To decorate, I used some more supplies which are not typically stationaries, some brown paper, some white paper, 2 washi tape, and a sticky glue. As I set up my July month, I will share my story about my bullet journaling. In November 2018, I learned about a thing that is called morning journal. I didn't really knew about bujo back then. I was reading an article about how morning journal makes people mind clear and make people more productive. I thought it is a great idea. I should give it a try. Then in 2 months I learned a lot about journaling. Mostly I was intrigued by how people do them so beautifully. Especially I love Amanda Rachel. She's a bujo queen in the YouTube. There are many types of journal. A morning journal to dump your thought or plan your daily life. A food journal to track your calories, a workout journal to track your health, a memory journal to track your memory, and an art journal to do some art, a K-pop journal to have your K-pop idols in the spread. But most fascinating of all was bullet journal, which I started doing in 2019 January. I set up my first bullet journal. I had a goal page there. I wrote 9 goals for 2019, in which my first goal was to get A+ in HSC. Second one was getting into Dhaka University, my dream university. And third one was to study in economics. And the last one was to learn how to love myself. 4 out of 9 goals was accomplished by me. I plan every month. Recently, I started to review previous month to reflect on. I plan my weekly project like these videos are work or anything that is upcoming or I want to do in future. When our educational institutes were still opened, I plan my classes, study materials, exam or any upcoming event. I tracked my habit and mood too, which helped me to develop good habit. And I track my mood because I want to know if I am mentally having a hard time or not. This month I will try to track my mood, sleep and stress level at the same time to see the result if these three things are connected. I have a brain dump where I throw all my ideas. Brain dump is my favorite spread of all time. I like to throw my ideas and worries in this page.
Today, I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around trying to figure you.
Now we plan for our month. We will plan for weekly on daily basis. I like to have a week set up for where I mainly write my daily task. If I do this in this 2 pages, I can see my whole week together. After that, I may write some thoughts on the other pages when I feel happy or low or I want to celebrate some milestone. I throw them in my bullet journal. I talk to my bullet journal when I feel low, which is kind of weird, but it helps me to clear my mind.
Nation, don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around trying to fit.
And I am thinking now, bujo made me got into my dream university, my desirable subject and a lot more than that. And I learned something. Until you write your goal, they are just fantasies, daydreams. If you write your plan or goal, you are more likely to achieve them in the future. But if you are thinking about I will do this and that, your mind will not take it seriously. Until you write something down, look at it every day and work for it, plan for it.
Wow, would it be like to be? Would it be like to be yours? Would it be like to be yours? One step is 2 steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait.
You should start a bullet journal. Give it a try. Maybe it's your thing. I have an art account on my IG where I share my artwork and my bullet journal spread monthly. Please follow me there, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I love you all and welcome to Bujo community. Thank you for watching.